Hello, Cardinals. We're going to talk about investigation 9.1 today, molds, casts, and excavating models. And our focus question is, how are models created and excavated? And excavate means to recover through digging. To look back at the getting started from last week, we're going to be discussing the questions from number 5A through E. And then we're going to move on to investigation 9.1. 9.1 is to simulate how mold and casts fossils are produced and to explore how scientists use fossils for study. And you're going to have some questions to answer in your notebook throughout this investigation. You'll be creating a mold and a cast of seashells. To begin, you're going to fill the bottom of a plastic container with half of the craft dough and flatten it, and you're going to press the shell texture side down into the dough, and you remove the shells from the dough. With your partner, you're going to observe the impressions that you created, and that represents a cast fossil. You're going to sketch this model and show and answer the following questions in your notebook. You obtain a container of plaster from your teacher. Fill only the impressions with plaster as shown in label figure 9.3. And you're going to label your plastic container with your initials and class period and set aside to dry. There are very specific conditions for which a fossil can form and be maintained over millions of years. Therefore, older and larger fossils tend to be rare. In your science notebook, answer the following questions about the process of discovering and excavating fossils. For 6, we're going to watch a short video called Excavating an Extinct Toothed Whale. And this video shows the Smithsonian scientists encasing a fossil and removing it from the sand before the tide comes in. And you're going to have some questions to answer after you watch the video. For step 7, you're going to practice excavating fossils. You're going to remove fossils from a mound. These fossils are going to be used in later investigations, so you're going to need to don't lose them. And for 8, explain how scientists can use the placement of fossils in rocks to determine their age. So our steps today are creating molds, casts, and excavating models, steps 1 through 8. You might want to revisit the article Fossils on page 285 to 86. We'll be watching Excavating an Extinct Toothed Whale, and you're going to get some time to work on your vocab. So a lot of little things to do today. Good luck, Cardinals.